Hey, so if Google Gemini is not responding, like it's stuck, not generating answers or freezing, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Gemini not responding in 2026. First thing, check your internet. Slow or unstable connections can stop Gemini from responding. Next, refresh the page. So, this reloads the session and fixes temporary glitches. All right, try starting a new chat. I mean, sometimes a specific conversation gets stuck. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted data can break how Gemini loads responses. Next, disable browser extensions. So ad blockers or plugins might be blocking responses. All right, open Gemini in incognito mode. I mean, this removes most browser-related issues. And yeah, switch devices or browsers. This helps confirm if the issue is device specific. So that's how you fix Google Gemini not responding. Once everything is working, it should generate answers instantly again.